Well, it's Monday, the 13th of May 2024, and I've got a heck of a lot of things that I must do. Really haven't got time to watch the trains go by. And I certainly haven't got time to be playing with buildings, even buildings that someone kindly gave me. Yeah. Now, what way is east? That is better. Right, when you build your model railway layouts, people, if you put a church on it, don't forget that the end with the altar in faces east, doesn't it? I wonder if we've got an altar in this church. Oh, no, we've just got a bare apse. I think we might ought to build a little altar to put in that church, don't you? I have been using my scaffolding, and yeah, it's much better than trying to work off a ladder. Some of you knew that, but take my word for it. I've also done a little bit of grass cutting. I really need to get the tractor out, but I think I might do that tomorrow. But look at these wonderful gooseberries. Won't be long and I'll be eating those. I really need to ask again. When people have told you 3 times, you feel a bit stupid asking them a 4th, don't you? I think this is Blett. I think it is. But isn't that just fantastic? And what it's doing, it's coming up to flower, and then it will throw seed all over the garden.